Alright guys, today we're going to make a heart hook. Taking a piece of metal, folded it over. I tapered the end down a little bit and folded it over. I'm heating it up to forge weld it together. Alright, I'm using borax as my fluff. Just plain Mule Team borax like you get in the laundry detergent aisle at a lot of stores. Alright, when you're going to forge weld, one thing you need is a good, clean, hot heat. You need a lot of heat. You need clean heat. You've got charcoal with anything in it, bad charcoal, old crusty stuff, it's just not going to stick. You're going to get too much in there. There's my sparks. I'm going to pull it out. One. And there she is. I already tacked that weld once, but now it's done. So I'm gonna. Second thing we're gonna do, make sure we're still in the frame here. I'm gonna take this and split it open now. Come on, baby. All right, don't get that close to it. There we go. Alright. Lay this up here and truss it up a little bit.
Can I try to pull Nick again?
Truss it back up a little bit. I don't know how this is going to work. I didn't make this out of round.
Some important information.
There we go. Now, see if I can figure out how to do this with a... I don't think it's going to work. I think I just ruined a piece of metal, to be honest. Well, maybe not ruined, but... it's not supposed to do it quite like that. Because if this is round, you wouldn't get these twists in it. That is ugly as sin. Let's see if we can dress it up any and make it prettier. I don't know. Yeah, they're just like... oh, I killed that, didn't I? That sucks. We'll cut it there anyhow. Come on, put it. You're gonna cut right there. There it goes. Then, note to self: always pick up that little hot piece of. Always pick up that hot little piece of crap. Don't know what about it. Cause it's hot. Like twisting the stand isn't hard, but
I do have to get all the regress ready.
Down there.
Okay, set it on the counter for me, okay? Try to call Nick.
I always have to think about this. Let's bend this way out. That is the ugliest little heart hook I ever saw in my life.
I'm gonna love it forever.
So we're just going to wire brush this off and clean it up a little bit. Didn't really want to end up flipping it like I did, but that's how it goes, I guess. This is something that looks homemade. It looks blacksmith, and that's really the goal. If it looks like it came off a production line, nobody's going to want to buy it. But little add-ons, I don't have enough light here to make that. There we go. Little add-ons like just kind of twisting that end of that hook right there in front of my thumb. That really helps. Just gets people's attention. Here. You take something like that, and you need a brass brush. I have no idea where to buy a brass brush. That is just a barbecue grill brass brush. It needs to be brass only, 100% brass. Not. I've got a wheel that goes on my drill over here. Thought that was a brass brush, but that you can see it a little bit there. It's actually brass coated steel. Won't work. Need 100% brass, and you just take that brass brush and brush the whole item down a little bit. And I've heard it compared to kind of something similar to electroplating. Not electroplating, obviously, but it has a similar effect, I guess. The steel is harder than the brass, so you end up just brushing the brass right off onto the metal, onto the steel here. Try and throw some still pictures in there, get some good quality pics on that, and show you what it looks like after you put the brass on it. Well, that's it for making the ugliest little heart hook that you ever did see.